In 2020, I got laid off from my minimum wage job due to the pandemic. In 2021, I made 6 figures from social media. And in the current year of 2022, I've made $500,000 from a business I started on my phone. So I know you're thinking, what was the turning point that made that happen? How can you go from broke to rich as well? And what are the exact steps to do so? Well, I'll answer all those questions in this video, but the number one thing that resulted in this massive wealth increase was me realizing becoming rich is extremely simple. In fact, becoming rich has always been simple and will always be simple. Most people are just too lazy to do it. They sit on their couch all day eating junk food, lusting the women on a screen, and crying about their horrible life instead of changing it. So if that's you, I don't feel bad for you. You're a broke, unhealthy idiot who put yourself in that situation. But it's never too late to change your life and become healthy and wealthy. I want everyone to succeed, and I know everyone can succeed if they follow the steps in this video. So let's get into it. The first step from rags to riches is acquiring a source of income. In most cases, this will and should be a job because jobs are more reliable than side hustles and businesses. And if you truly have no money, you'll need the consistent income a job provides to pay your bills and put food on your plate. But if you already have a successful business or side hustle that pays your bills, good for you. We'll make that more profitable later. Second, once you have a source of income that provides for all your basic necessities, you need to identify all distractions and eliminate them. This is probably the biggest difference between the poor and the rich, because rich people actually make sacrifices to succeed while poor people try to justify their horrible decisions. It's like the famous quote says, if you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes the sacrifice. And the first step of eliminating distractions is being honest with yourself. So right now, I want you to get out a piece of paper or a laptop and write down everything you do in a day. Literally all of it, starting from when you wake up to when you sleep. Then organize those activities into these sections. Things that make you money, things that keep you healthy, things that make you smarter, needed tasks like brushing teeth, laundry, etc., and other activities. Then once that's done, erase everything in the other activities because they are completely useless and today is the last day you will do them. That means no social media if you're not learning, no video games, no TV, no hanging out with poor friends if they're not helping to support your goals. If an activity doesn't increase your wealth, make you healthier, or educate you, get rid of it. I literally quit being a professional athlete for 3 action sports to acquire wealth, and trust me, quitting the most important thing in my life throughout the last 7 years was hard, but it was well worth it. Also, men, this means you need to cut out the number one kryptonite to achieving success, which is women. If you aren't rich, jacked, and have influence, you don't deserve a wife. And you especially shouldn't be wasting your time lusting for girls over a screen who don't even know who you are. The third step to riches is creating a schedule, because now that you cut out 5 to 8 hours of useless tasks you used to do every day, you have a lot more time to make money. And although I can't give out an exact schedule to fit everyone's life, everyone's daily routine should include these 3 things. 1, something that keeps you in shape, because wealth without health does not matter. What are you gonna do? Spend all the money on hospital bills and have fun? No. So please allocate a solid 30 minutes to an hour every day at the gym, running, biking, or doing something active that will allow you to live long and enjoy the money you earn. 2, you need to be financially literate to become rich. So you should spend another solid 30 minutes to an hour every day learning how money works, which includes vocabulary, psychology, economics, business types, and a lot more. Then 3 is to spend the remaining time of your day on step 4, which is starting some side hustles. This is the point where your life will really start to change, because every day you're getting smarter and healthier, and now you'll also be creating a new source of income so you won't have to work a job anymore. But to get to the point of having your side hustles overtake your job's income, you need to try a lot of different side hustles and pick the one you'll give 100% to. And to do that, I'd recommend researching side hustles for a solid 3 to 5 hours every day for 1 week straight. And throughout that week, write down the advantages and disadvantages of each one, and if it would make practical sense related to your location and available capital. Then choose your favorite 10 side hustles and start trying each one for a week back to back to back. This will open your eyes to what you like and don't like business-wise, plus get you outside of your comfort zone. Then once you try all of them, pick the one you like the most, and then it's time for step 5, aka grind time. Grind time is when you put your all into the side hustle, and no, that doesn't mean quit your job that keeps you alive. It means that whenever you're not working at the gym or learning, you will be grinding your booty off to become successful at the side hustle you chose. It should be your number one focus and so prevalent in your mind that you dream about it. Because when you're that disciplined to put all your energy in the one thing, there is no option but success. Now, of course, you will fail and probably won't make decent money for the first few months or years, but one day something will switch and you'll go from making $40K a year at your day job to making multiple six figures from your side hustles. Now that you're making decent cash, you need to multiply your money by investing in yourself, your business, and the stock market. This is where you really make the crossover from poor to rich, because you'll no longer be using your time to make more money. You'll be using your money to make more money. For example, instead of making 1K in a day working 8 hours on your side hustle, you could invest to say $500,000 you made from the business and get paid $20,000 every 3 months through stock dividends. And speaking of investing, right now the Webull investing app is giving all new members who sign up and deposit any amount of money $34,000 to $30,600 in free stocks. Just sign up through the link in my description, deposit 1 penny or more, and you'll get your free stocks. You're welcome. And going back to investing in yourself, that is done by networking, being mentored by successful people you want to be like, and continuing to read books. Then an example of investing in your business is hiring employees, scaling ads, buying better equipment, or doing anything you know will increase sales. And for y'all who are ready to do all this but don't know which side hustle to choose, you can watch this video where I rank 20 beginner side hustles from worst to best. Just click here and God bless.